So, andito po tayo ngayon sa Poway Church, Ilocos Norte. One of the spot ng ating North Loop year-end ride. So, good morning. Good morning. Ang mga North Loopers riders, shout out. We're at Poway Church, Ilocos Norte. So, papasukin natin yung loob, titingnan natin kung ano yung itsura.